My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. If you're having a divorce, do you have to appear live in court? It's a question we're asked a lot. Now, certainly in a Zoom format, you're appearing, but you're not really appearing live. But I guess ultimately the question is there any appearance required? It is true that there are some very liberal jurisdictions where the parties can just fill out a form, check some boxes, never have to go to court, do everything through forms, and never actually appear. Generally speaking, Michigan is not one of those states, okay? You're going to have to appear, be it by Zoom, electronic format, or in person. Somebody's going to have to appear. And why? Because the court is going to have to take some statutory proofs in order to finalize your divorce. The court is going to have to be satisfied, for example, that you've been a resident of the state of Michigan for at least 6 months prior to filing, that you've been a resident of the county where you filed for at least 10 days before you filed it, that there's been a breakdown of the marriage to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed. The court has to take proofs on all of that, and therefore some court appearance is required. Now, if the plaintiff files and you get served and you don't contest anything, they may have to go, but perhaps you don't have to go. Generally, if you're the defendant and you agree on everything, you sign off on everything, you don't have to show up. I will give you this one warning though. If you're not sure about something that's in the papers, if you want to establish that you get a certain thing that you were promised, but somehow it's glossed over in the document that you received, you better show up. You better tell the court, we have one issue that we haven't agreed upon, Your Honor, and then the court will not conclude it. The court will send you back to work that out and make sure that that issue is covered. So, you know, people say, do I have to go? Because it may be an inconvenience for them, but it's also a safeguard to make sure that they get what they're supposed to get. So I would say this. In conclusion, if everything's agreed upon and the other side filed and you're just getting papers and you've signed off and you have no assets, you have no children, you have nothing, you just want your name back or you just want the case over with, it's probably a case where you don't have to appear. And while the other side may have to appear either by Zoom or otherwise, it's something that they can do and they can just send you the papers. I will tell you this though. The problem with relying that the other side will appear and take care of it has come up in this court, in this firm several times because clients have called me up saying, I thought I was divorced. I didn't show up to court because my ex said he or she was going to do it. I, in reliance upon that, got married. I've been married for 20 years. I had a family. Recently, somebody asked me for my papers. I went to court, and guess what? I was never divorced. When that happens, you got a big problem. The reason why you got a big problem is because you're still married to the first one. The second marriage is invalid. The children from that are not technically children of a marriage. It's a lot of complication. So therefore, yes, it's possible to do divorce without showing up. Is it always the best idea? No. You sometimes got to show up just to make sure that the thing is finalized, that you get a copy of your judgment of divorce so if that you need it, you'll have it. If you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.